Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I guess we can call it good news for many reasons and for all the people out there that hate the AI push within Windows. Yusef Medhi, the head of the Windows and Devices team, has announced in a blog post that they are backing off some of the Copilot AI integration in Windows 11. So they wanted to use the Copilot integration for a lot of things, and they wanted to add this to File Explorer and many other places, including the Settings app was about to get some of the AI push. Well, it seems that they're backing off and saying, no, we're not going to integrate the Copilot AI further into Windows. And they are even going to reconsider where the Copilot AI is going to be positioned within Windows and see where maybe they can even remove some of it. The other thing that he mentioned is that in order to get a little more of the respect back from users, they will make sure that all the integration of AI, Copilot AI, will have an on-off switch. You'll be able to opt out and say, I don't want this. And it's all in the spirit of trying to improve the image of Windows 11. So this is interesting news. We had a video late last year, I believe, where there was talk about this year being a change. Something is going to be different about Windows and about the way that Windows is, the features are going to be sent to us. And this has to do a lot, I guess, with Yusef Medhi, which is brand new at the head of Windows. And he's a guy that everywhere that he worked at Microsoft, only good things happened. So maybe he's a guy that's going to bring good things to Windows 11 and have people come back in more of a respectful way to Microsoft, saying, okay, well, you know what? Now you're doing things right. And it's something that a lot of people have been asking. So I guess with him at the head of Windows and devices, maybe they're starting to listen to what the users want. So this is going to be interesting to see where and how it's going to be done. And, one of the biggest things that people are asking is a general switch within the Settings app where you could just say no Copilot AI, an on-off switch that just turns it off everywhere. So we'll see what happens. And apparently this is also going to affect the Copilot plus PCs that are AI driven. They will also scale back the AI stuff. So good news, I think, in general for Windows users. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.